Welcome to Citation and Create Bibliography video tutorial. Let me allow to demonstrate how to add citation using Microsoft Word 2016. First open the article or research paper which we are creating using Microsoft Word 2016. Next click on Reference tab. Select prepared citation style from the citation and bibliography group. I'll select APA. Click on the end of the sentence or phrase that we are going to cite. Then click on Insert Citation and select Add New Source. Now we can start adding source information to our article by using Create Source dialog box. Let's consider this is the source research paper going to cite at the pointed place in our research article, and this is journal article. So now go to the create source dialog box again and select journal article in the type of source combo box as we are going to cite a journal article. So next fill the author information. For that click on edit button at the end of the author text box. Now we can give first to the information first. For that go to the research paper and copy the name of the first author and paste it on first name text box. Cut the last name and paste it on last name text box and click on add, and also there is no middle name, so keep it as empty. Now click on add button and we can see first the name is displaying in the name text area, and likewise do same steps for other authors. So I copy second author name and paste it on first name text box and cut the last name, paste it on last name text box and click on add button, and finally click on the OK button to add author information to author text box. Next go to the research paper and copy the title of the research paper and paste it on title text box. Let's copy the name of the journal article and paste it on journal name text box. Fill the year published and the range of pages of the article which printed in journal. So 2070 is the date of year of publish, and page range will be start from 1 to end with 18. 1 to 18 is the page range. Right. If you need to add more information, click on show all bibliography field checkbox. So we can fill volume name and issue of the journal. Volume is 16 and issue is 1. So volume is 16. So volume should be Roman number and issue is 1. If you know other information such as URL or DOI number of the source, we can fill them, otherwise keep them empty. Finally click on OK button to add the citation to the article. Now we can see surnames of authors with the published year of the source information at the citation tag. So this will depend on the style we selected. So I selected APA style. This is the citation tag for APA style, and next click on manage sources. So we can see newly added citation tag, newly added citation source information in both master list and current list. Actually master list means collection of all citation source information in this computer which added to all documents using the Microsoft Word application installed on this computer, and among them all citation information used in current document, go to the current list. When we click on citation entry in the current list, we can see the preview of its source information, which will display in bibliography or reference section of the article we are creating. Next, let me allow to describe about the placeholder. When we don't have source information, then we can place a empty citation tag in a particular place, and later we can update information once we know the source information. For add the placeholder, click on the place where we want to add the placeholder, click Insert Citation and select New Placeholder. Add new placeholder. Give a name for our placeholder or remain unchanged. The auto-generated name placeholder 1. If we go to the source, manage source again, we can see question mark before the tag name of the placeholder. This because this citation is not completed, and we can add source information later by clicking edit button. Next, I am going to add another source information to our article, and open this article. So this is the article related to information in this place. So I am going to cite this article here. Go to the Insert Citation, add new source, select journal article because this one also journal article, then copy first name and click on add and copy second name last name and click on add and OK. Copy the title and copy the journal name and here publish 2013. Page range is 62 to 72. Okay, then show all bibliography field combo box, and we can add volume number and URL of the journal. Volume is 63 and URL. Okay, this is the citation tag, right? Next, I would like to show how to add citation which has already been added to a different place in our article. Place the mouse pointer where we want to insert citation, then select Insert Citation and select the required citation from this drop down list. So I will select this one. So we can see same citation tag is repeated in two different places, right? Next, let me allow to show how to create bibliography. Click on the document where we want to add the bibliography. Usually it is at the end of the document. Then click on bibliography in the citation and bibliography group of the reference tab. Then select bibliography So this is the bibliography list of this article. There are only 2 entries in the list as we added only 2 citations. Next I am going to add another citation to our article to show how to update the bibliography. So I am going to cite this information with this source article. So go to the insert citation and add new source, select journal article because this is also journal article, then copy the name. So this will in the format first author, first name and last name. So therefore we don't need to click edit and do things what we did last paper. So copy the title, and copy the journal name. Journal name is Distance Education in China. So copy. Year publisher is 2013, and page range is 5 to 11. Right, click check show all bibliography field checkbox, and we can add volume and issue 3 and 5 and URL. So volume is 3, issue is 5. Okay, and URL of the journal. So right, okay, so we can see the citation tag. Still we have only 2 entries in the bibliography list in our article. So after updating the bibliography, it will be increased up to 3. To update the bibliography list, click on the bibliography label here at the end of the article, then update bibliography message will be pop up, and click on it to update the bibliography. So we can see the list of bibliography is updated. And that's it. Add citation and create bibliography tutorial. Thank you for joining.